Hello, fellow travelers. Get ready to immerse yourself in a solo adventure that promises to be nothing short of magical Bruges. Today, we're diving into the heart of this enchanting medieval city. Join me on a journey through history, culture, and the picturesque landscapes of Bruges. As we step onto the cobblestone streets, Bruges unfolds like a living fairy tale. The canals, the historic buildings, and the charming squares hold a piece of magic. That makes solo travel in Bruges an unforgettable experience. Let's start our exploration by taking a leisurely stroll along the peaceful canals. The reflections of centuries-old buildings shimmering on the water create a postcard-perfect scene. As we wander through the labyrinthine cobblestone streets, the medieval architecture tells tales of a bygone era, inviting us to travel back in time. Bruges, often referred to as the Venice of the North, boasts a unique charm that captivates every solo traveler's heart. It's not just a destination, it's an experience, and we're about to uncover the layers of its captivating beauty. But Bruges is not just a pretty face, it's a city with stories etched in every brick. Join me as we delve into the historical riches of Bruges. Our first stop is the iconic Belfry of Bruges, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that towers over the city. As we ascend its narrow staircase, the panoramic views of Bruges unfold before us, revealing a tapestry of red-tiled roofs and spires. It's a breathtaking perspective that offers a glimpse into the city's medieval past. Next, we'll step into the Groningen Museum, home to a mesmerising collection of Flemish and Belgian art. The masterpieces on display narrate the city's artistic journey through the centuries. From Jan van Eyck's intricate details to the emotional resonance of Hans Memling's works, Bruges' art scene is a testament to its cultural significance. Exploring the marked square, we encounter the heart of Bruges' medieval trade. The towering belfry, the provincial court, and the colourful facades of guild houses surround us, creating an immersive experience that transports us back to a time when Bruges was a bustling hub of commerce and culture. The journey wouldn't be complete without savouring the local flavours. Join me on a culinary odyssey that reveals the gastronomic treasures of Bruges. We'll start our culinary exploration at the bustling local markets, where stalls overflow with fresh produce, artisanal cheeses, and vibrant flowers. It's a sensory delight that allows us to connect with the heartbeat of Bruges' food scene. No visit to Bruges is complete without indulging in its world-renowned chocolates. Join me as we step into a charming chocolate shop where skilled chocolatiers craft delectable treats. The aroma of cocoa fills the air as we sample pralines, truffles, and exquisite chocolate creations that showcase the artistry of Bruges confectioners. As the sun begins to dip below the horizon, we'll head to the markt to experience the culinary delights of Bruges at night. The square transforms into an open-air feast, offering an array of Belgian specialties. From waffles with decadent toppings to savoury treats like mole frites, every bite is a celebration of Bruges' culinary heritage. Now that we've immersed ourselves in the beauty and history of Bruges, let's turn our attention to the practicalities of navigating this charming city as a solo traveller. Bruges is renowned for its pedestrian-friendly layout, making it ideal for solo exploration. Join me as we navigate the cobblestone streets, discovering hidden gems around every corner. We'll explore the city's efficient public transportation system, offering solo travellers a convenient and eco-friendly way to venture beyond the city centre. From budget-friendly accommodations to solo-friendly activities, Bruges has something for every independent explorer. The heart of any journey lies in its people. In Bruges, the locals welcome you with open arms. Join me as we immerse ourselves in the vibrant community, sharing stories and gaining insights that transform this solo trip into a shared experience. We'll visit a local cafe where the aroma of freshly brewed coffee mingles with the laughter of patrons. Engaging with locals over a cup of coffee opens a window into the daily life of Bruges, and you'll discover that the warmth of the people is as integral to the city as its historic architecture. During a local event, we'll witness the sense of community that defines Bruges. Whether it's a cultural festival, a market day, or a spontaneous gathering in a park, these moments offer solo travellers the chance to connect with the authentic spirit of Bruges. As the sun begins to set, Bruges transforms into a canvas of colours. Join me as we explore the city's artistic side, capturing the beauty that emerges when the lights dance on the canals and the medieval architecture. Stroll with me along the illuminated canals, where the reflections create a mesmerising play of light and shadow. The city takes on a magical aura as we discover how Bruges' architecture comes to life at dusk. From the romantic mini-water bridge to the iconic Rosenhoed Kai, every corner becomes a masterpiece painted by the fading sunlight. As we meander through the quiet streets, we'll encounter street musicians, artists, and the enchanting glow of quaint boutiques. Bruges at dusk is a visual symphony, and we're here to experience every note. As we bid farewell to this enchanting city, the lights of Bruges twinkle in the night. This solo adventure has been a journey through time, flavours, and the warmth of its people. I hope this extended exploration inspires you to embark on your solo adventure in Bruges. Until next time, happy travels!